We're here at beautiful Bell Works on the west side of the building, which the renovations are going to be done here quickly, just as they did on the east side. This is an amazingly beautiful building that was a beautiful building built 30-some years ago, and now it's even more beautiful as they renovate it. I really have to thank Somerset and Ralph Zucker for getting this done. He bought this building on a wing and a prayer. He already done this in New Jersey, in another Bell building, and it's absolutely beautiful what he's done. He's doing the same thing here, a mixed use. They're building housing on the perimeter. They're gonna have apartment buildings, and this is going to be really, in many ways, probably the downtown Hoffman Estates never had. Ralph?
Thank you, Mayor, and thank you, everybody. We couldn't have done it alone. Actually, the Village gets the credit for seeing what we did in New Jersey and bringing us out here. And the entire team, a lot of them are behind you, that work so closely with us to make, to take the former AT&T Ameritech building and turn it into the world's second metroburb, Bell Works Chicagoland. And we're proud here to start what we like to call the West Side story. The East Side has filled up. We're virtually full, over 95% leased in everything that we've built out on the East Side, proving that if you provide a great place, an inspired place for people to work, they will come. So we're excited. We have a lot of leasing activity on the West Side. We're excited to start, and together with the Village and Mayor, you and your team and everybody who works with us, we're excited to break ground, start the demolition, which has started already, and soon we start moving in people and filling up this side and completing the downtown of not just Hoffman Estates, but the entire region. Thank you very much.
Well, Ralph and his group do first class plus in everything they do. We're very excited about this. This building was empty, and what do you do with all this office space that nobody wants anymore? And he came here with a vision, and he's done it. Trustee Stanton and I, Deputy Mayor Stanton and I, got to go out to Homedale, New Jersey, and see what they did there. It was amazing, and he's replicating that here, which is truly astonishing, and we really appreciate everything you're doing. We also want to present Ralph and his group with the key to the Village of Hoffman Estates, a key for the west side of their beautiful building. Thank you for all you do.